Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So I am back with a local beauty store find. That means I went in my local beauty store, I found a wig, and I decided, hey, why not do a review on it? The company name is Bella, and I don't have the picture of the wig. It didn't come with one that was in the pack. But the name of this wig is Navy, and the color I will be wearing is 2T26007. This is actually what she looks like. We're gonna put her on. This is gonna be fun. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, so it's gonna be a surprise for me as well. Stay tuned. The construction of the cap, it does come with an adjustable band here. It does have a comb at the nape of the wig, and we do have two combs positioned on each side. I don't have any other information other than it does come with this part that you see here, but it didn't come with the stock card. And so I'm not even sure if you can add heat to this particular wig, but the color is what caught my attention. We'll be back wearing her shortly. Okay, I'm not even mad at this wig. I don't have a stock card to show you the wig itself, but again, it's navy, made by Bella. Never heard of it. This is what the actual wig came in, this box, decorated as such. But oh, look at the color. Look at that color. Let me find it so I can tell you what it is. It's 2T26007, and I'll have it in the description box below. But this was just a local beauty store find, and I tell people all the time, and oh, let me put my shirt up because it looks as if I don't have a shirt on, but I do. I tell people all the time, look in your local beauty stores. You will stumble upon wigs that are cute. Very simple. This wig is very simple, but for the summer, if you live in very humid areas, this will be ideal. It's lightweight. Let me go ahead and turn so that you can see this particular wig. Again, I am not mad at this particular wig. I like her. I really do. I like her. You can actually brush, and if you saw me on camera, I just simply took my fingers and kind of ran through the wig. Nothing really special, but it's very simple. I like it. Thanks again for joining Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. And until next week, take care of each other and definitely yourself. And I'll be back with another wig review.